It has our logo RosesGlam, and this is how you can. Hey my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back to our channel. How are you all doing? I hope everybody's keeping safe, and for me I'm doing fine, thank you. As you can see, the eye is gone. Like about a few days ago, I posted on my community, the picture of how my eyes were, but right now I'm fine, and thank you all for your concern. I really appreciate you all. So today I am going to do, slay the face once again, but right now I don't really know what to do, but I am going to start first by introducing some of my product, which is what I'm going to use on today's makeup. And if you've not seen, or if you've not visited my website, what are you waiting for? Take your time, explore the website, or that patronize your sister. Now why are you doing like this to me? Just shop, I will deliver it at your doorsteps. So before we jump into that, my name is RosesGlam, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, why don't you consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's just dive into it. So guys, first of all, I am starting with this eyebrow gel. I told you guys last time that RosesGlam eyebrow gel is coming up soon, okay? If you've not seen the video of how I do my eyebrow, the link is up there. Just go and visit it. I'm sure you're definitely going to love that video, how I slay my eyebrow. So this is the product I use for that eyebrow, and I'm going to show you all how it works in case you're struggling or you don't know how to use your eyebrow gel. And in that video I use soap and eyebrow gel, but if you watch closely, you find out that the one using your eyebrow gel is more perfect than the soap one, depending on what you want. So today I'm going to use this one to show you, although I'm not going to do a full video of my eyebrow, I'm going to just show you how it works, how you can activate it before you use it. Then I will continue. As you all know, I love to make my eyebrows before I go to the whole face. So this is the product, how it comes. As you can see, this is it. It has our logo RosesGlam, and this is how you can open it, like this. Okay, so when you open it, I'm going to use water. I'm using Avena water. Just use any water. You can buy something like this, you can use water from the tap, but just small. You just spray it on it like this, and you're going to use your spoolie. You're going to roll it. Okay, just roll it, take a bit of it. You go ahead to cover it. Take your mirror. I'm going to show you all. As you all see how my eyebrow is now, I'm going to use this to show you how it works. As you can see how it is. You see this one, and you see that one. And again, last time I did a lamination of eyebrow, the link is up there as well. It doesn't really matter if you laminate your eyebrow or not, but it makes your eyebrow so relaxed, so flat, that you don't really, even if you didn't do your use your eyebrow pencil or gel to go through, you can just use your spoolie, do this to arrange your eyebrow. This is typically how it works, and it stays for a longer period. It can stay from morning till evening. All you need to do is just to use water to wash it off. And when you finish doing this, you just use something like this round, just to use it to press it down. You see, this is how it works. So don't hesitate, just visit my website, place your order, and I will deliver it. You will see a lot of things. As we proceed, I'm going to be showing you all, both lipstick, both the 2-in-1 magic liner. My eyebrow, I am not going to show how I do it because I have done the video already, like I said earlier. Just visit that video, I'm sure you're going to love it. So I'll go behind the camera to get my eyebrow done. All right, see you in a while. Hey lovelies, as you all can see, the eyebrow is set to go. So what I did was to prime my eyelid, followed by concealer to conceal it before I go ahead to apply my eyeshadow. And the palette that I'm using today is James Charles palette. So what I did was to use this brush from MUD Cosmetics number 800 to take shade 518, if I'm correct, 518, to throw it at the outer corner of the eye, making sure that it doesn't go above crease corner. And when I'm done, I go ahead use another brush from MUD Cosmetics. Is a flat brush number 350. Use it to make sure that the shade is well blend and press. If you watch, I did not brush it, I just press until I get that. So when I'm done, I'm going to use this precision brush that I got from a local shop here. It's called Pro 13. Take the shade, they call it low beans. Can you imagine that? I use that shade, making sure that it stays at the crease corner there. If you watch the way I'm doing it, I use that brush. It's a very nice brush. So when I'm done, I go ahead to use the brush to blend it a bit before I go ahead to use another brush from the Body Shop number R551A. Use it to brush it, use it to blend it, and when you see the way I'm blending it, I'm taking it inside, I'm not just taking it outside. I make sure that I bring it in, not outer corner, so that it won't be a lot, it won't go, be a lot at the outer corner. So when I'm done, I use this brush that doesn't have name, but a very good brush that is super soft. And why I use this brush, so that it won't crack, because that place is still a bit kind of greasy. So I use it to make sure that is well blended before I go ahead to use this. They call it the Bdellium 2718. That brush is an excellent brush. It's for professionals. It's very good brush, but a bit expensive. So I use it to blend it, and when I'm done, I go ahead to use this Morphe M506. Yeah, I use it to take that shade Escape, apply it at the corner, at the outer corner of the eye, making sure that I cover it below the crease area. If you watch, I didn't go above the crease corner there. And when I'm done, I go ahead to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade of Natural. Okay, that was what I used to cut my crease. When you're cutting your crease, you have to be very careful so that it won't be all over the places. All right, so when I'm done cutting the crease, I go ahead to use a very flat brush, but smaller brush, reason so that it won't be the shimmer that is coming from that particular shade will not be all over everywhere. And the shade is called Artistry. So that was what I used to apply where I cut the crease, making sure that it's well, the coverage is what I wanted. Like what I'm doing, I'm going to do this eye. I just want to show you, and I will go off the camera to do the second eye before I go ahead to finish up the face. And when I'm done, I'll use the same brush from Morphe, use it to blend, so that the transition between the Artistry and the Escape will be seamlessly smooth. So when I'm done with that, I go ahead, at the waterline. What I'm doing is just to finish up the whole thing using the brush that I've not used before to press up the whole shade so that it won't be off, and go ahead to blend it. So when I'm done, I use this smudged brush, use it to take shade Spooky. The Spooky is a dark shade, it's a black. I didn't use eye pencil here. I use it to take that shade as my eyeliner. And when I'm done, I go ahead to use Escape to put it below the dark shade, the Spooky, and further use another brush to take Single. That's the name of the shade. Use it to finish it up, and the reason being that so that it will match the color. You can see the transition between the upper eyelid and the waterline. So if you can see, that was what I did here. And yeah, I'm done with the second. I went off the camera like I said before to finish it up. So what I did here was to just clean up, you know, although the eyeshadow is okay, it's highly pigmented, it doesn't really fall off. So I go ahead to prime my face. I'm going to leave every product I use at the description box in case you want to lay your hands on them. Okay, I go ahead to prime my face using the high adherence silicone primer by the Ordinary. When I'm done priming my face, I go ahead to use this Dream Urban Cover by Maybelline. I know this foundation has been a super hero for me. I don't know how to explain it, but the foundation has been so good. Since I use it, I don't apply no corrector. So like what you just saw me doing, don't mind me, I forgot to apply my liner because my daughter has been disturbing me. So when I'm doing things, I'll have to carry her, I have to go off camera and stuff like that. So I just realized that I did not apply my eyeliner, so I had to quickly apply before I go ahead to finish up the other things. So when I'm done with the liner, I go ahead still use the Elegant Pro Concealer, the natural. That was what I use as my highlighter. My son is going to bed, so I have to do cautious before he goes to bed. So when I'm done, I go ahead to use this brush, you know, it's a foundation small brush. Use it to blend it up before I can go ahead to use my beauty blender to, you know, press it more down. So when I'm done with that, I go ahead to use this brush from MUD Cosmetics number 710 with loose powder color 0 to use it to mattify the face before I can go ahead to apply any powdery thing. If you watch, or how will I say it, I've made a video where I said if you use any liquid stuff on your face when you're making up, before you go ahead to apply any other thing, you have to mattify the face before you go ahead to apply a powdery substance. So because I'm going to use a powdery contour to contour my face, I have to first of all mattify it, and the contour that I use is from Zaron. I've been using that for a long time, God help me. So I use it to contour my face at the lower cheekbone, your forehead, your jaw, and go ahead to, you know, to contour the nose as well. So when I'm done contouring the face and the nose, I go ahead to use this Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my face, and I left it there for a while. And while it sits there, I go ahead to use lipstick, a matte lipstick 2-in-1 from RosesGlam in the shade of Rosewood, to use it for my lip before I proceed to take off the setting powder on my face. So while I get the setting powder on my face and getting the lips done, I will use this opportunity to shout out to my members. Everybody, I appreciate you so much. Akim Razzlers, I'm so sorry if I didn't pronounce your name rightly. Thank you so much for joining the membership. Sophia Shares, I appreciate you a lot. I appreciate you. I thank you so much. You guys are so amazing. And guys, support your girl. If you've not joined my membership, please join my membership. You will enjoy the perks. Thank you so much in advance. If you don't have them, guys, please, their links are on the description box. Just go and connect with them. They are so helpful, very supportive. All right, so I'm done with this. I go ahead to brush off the setting powder on the face, making sure that I blend everything seamlessly smooth. And let me just remind you, when you are doing this, you don't need to apply first. Here you are trying to polish the face, you have to polish it. Look at this side and look at this side. I have done already. Just take your time, you know, blend the whole thing together, making sure that everything, use a very soft brush so that you don't just, you know, mess everything up. And when I'm done, I use my dual finished pressed mineral powder from MUD Cosmetics to wrap everything up. And when I'm done with that, you know, I had to add little color on the face using my
the cheek powder from MUD as well. And when I'm done with that, I go ahead to use the highlighter from the Juvia's. All these things will be left at the description box in case you want to check them out. I have said that before. So this is how I got the face, you know, snatched. So I have come to the end of this makeup tutorial. How do you all find it? Leave your opinion at the comment section. I would love to read it. And if you like it, give it a fat thumb up. If you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Just come on, hit that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I post a new video. And if there is anything at all you want me to do regarding makeup, skincare routine, and all that, do leave it at the comment section. I will definitely bring it to you. For those requested that I should make a video on how to fix my contact lens and lashes, do not worry, I'm going to do that. The reason I've not done that is because I ordered a new contact and they've not arrived. I don't want to use the old one. I just want to use the new one, you know, to start from the beginning so that you will see how it's been done. All right, for lashes is coming up very soon. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you all for your amazing support. I don't take them for granted. Thank you. And like I said, subscribe, share this video. You never know who you are helping. I love you all. Thank you once again. And you know what? I will catch you up again in my next video. But don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Bye for now.